How to change the resolution of the video. Here I take a horizontal video to a vertical video as an example. First, import the video into VideoAE. You can modify the resolution of the video in the upper right corner where the video resolution button is displayed. Select a vertical screen ratio, and the specific resolution can be adjusted by yourself, but you can see that there are a lot of spare parts after the video is turned into a vertical screen. Here I recommend 3 methods. 1. Add a background layer. You can add a picture or video. Here I only add a color layer for convenience. Set the layer duration as long as the video, and then move it to the bottom layer. 2. Rotate the video. Rotate the video 90 degrees and zoom in to fill the entire screen. 3. Zoom in. Maybe some people don't want to rotate. They can directly enlarge the video, either proportionally or not. Here I only enlarge the height of the video and keep the width unchanged. Finally, click Generate in the upper right corner. How about it? Have you learned it?